entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto. Welcome to the Chakaverse. He all speaking Chaka facts, I'm all speaking Chaka words. We all making Chaka raps, we call this the Chakaverse. No, I can't help you cop the bag, but I can help you do research. So come and join the Chaka pack, explore the Chaka universe.
What is going on this fine Thursday afternoon? I'm Chaka Crypto. This is the Chakaverse, where we cover crypto news, NFTs, the metaverse, and everything in between. Today, I want to do an AI stream. I want to talk a little bit about AI. I've seen it more and more in the news, and we'll go over that a little bit later. But a couple articles I wanted to check out and talk about. The first one is Character.AI. And real quick, let me give a shout out to the sponsors of the channel. We got MMAI and the Rug Lounge token sponsoring the channels. The links are in the description down below if you want to check them out. And moving on. So the first story I wanted to talk about. Oh, and real quick, looks like StreamYard had an update. So anybody who uses StreamYard, it looks all the videos usually have this layout right here, but now you can customize your layout, and we can finally customize the StreamYard layout and move the people that come on and join the stream. We can move their screens around a little bit. So StreamYard's getting there. Now all they got to do is add some overlays, and we in business, man. We won't have to use OBS anymore. Let's see, isn't followers only, in case you were not aware. Heads up, your chat isn't followers only, in case you were not aware. Okay, let me go ahead and fix that really quick. Let me go ahead and fix the chat to everybody. One second, that really. Give me 1 second. I'm changing the chat so everybody can chat. Thanks for bringing that up, man. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, no, it's in anyone. Maybe, oh, you know what? It might be like that on Twitch. I'm not sure how to mess with that on on Twitch, but you're always welcome to jump over to personalized bots are nice. It's great that it's personalized bots are nice. It's great that tools are being made for it. Yeah. Yes, it is. So let's get it right in. And Stiggy Man, appreciate you joining from Twitch. I don't get that many Twitch people that join from the Twitch side. Appreciate that. It's usually over here on the YouTube side. Welcome. All right, so I want to talk about Character.AI, and then I'll run through it and I'll show you what it's all about. So Character.AI, they raised $150 million to create personalized chatbots. If you haven't heard about Character.ai, we'll get more into it. Dr. Rob, what is going on? Appreciate you hanging out. Appreciate you showing up. Talking about AI today. Going over some AI projects, well, not really projects, AI platforms. Just going to talk about AI a little bit. And let's see. So Character.ai is the first one we'll talk about. It's a personalized AI chatbot. The developer raised $150 million, led by Anderson Horowitz. Why this matters: the company seeks to provide everyone on Earth their own AI. Everyone on Earth, from everything from entertainment to information to emotional connection. Sure, that sounds like science fiction. It does sound like science fiction. That's why I want to share with you guys, because the more and more popular AI is getting, the metaverse is getting. I'm all for that, because once we get more eyes on MMAI. Once they see what that's got going on, that's going to be good. That's going to be good for all of us. But anyways, so Character.ai, they want to give everyone on Earth their own AI. That is crazy. So they eventually want to monetize monetization plan, direct to consumer subscription fees. Of course, right now it's free. I'll show you the free version of it. XXI game and what's going on. Appreciate you showing up. We're talking about AI today. Seeing what that's all about. I'm seeing it more and more in the news. Right now, we're going to go over Character.ai, and then we got Microsoft, some Microsoft AI, and then a music generator. Got some AI articles I want to share with you guys. So this one right here is Character.AI. And let's see. And one of their quotes, there's some, and it looks like they're throwing a little bit of shade at Google. It says there's some overlaps, but we're confident Google will never do anything fun because we work there. And that is a quote from the people that have started the Character.AI. So what is Character.AI? So it's all free to use. You got to log in. I logged in with my Google account, and all this is free. So what it looks like they did here is there's a bunch of different AI chatbots, and there's a create button over here. So I'm assuming this is the community creating various types of chatbots that they can use for various different things. Like down here, your no nonsense AI assistant. You have a programming AI assistant. You have other ones, someone who helps with life's difficulties. You know, all these different AI, and they're programmed just for those topics. Elon Musk, you're wasting my time. Literally, I rule the world. Just a bunch of different ones. Down here at the very bottom, they got practice a new language, practice interviewing, play a game. A lot of people made games out of this, brainstorm ideas, plan a trip, write a story, help an AI escape, which is probably a game too. Help me make a decision and get book recommendations. So let's up here. I did use this one because the ones with the little paint symbol on the side, they'll make AI generated pictures. This is a monster maker. Just a quick example, I made a couple already. You just type in what you want, what you're looking for. Like say, we'll say, let's say this is all, I guess, monsters. Monster with a computer head and, I don't know, lizard body. And we'll see what that comes up with. And these are all free if you guys want to check them out. I just said monster with a computer head and a lizard body. Takes a little bit, and it gives you a description of it. The computer lizard is a monster with a computer forehead and a lizard-like body. Its body is covered in scales, and its skin is translucent green color. It has 4 eyes, and that's what it gave me. Not even what I asked. I said a monster with a computer forehead and a lizard body, and it gave me this frog-looking thing. Let me see if I can click the picture and make it bigger. No, but it gives you a little story. Its mouth is full of sharp, jagged teeth. It has 4 legs that end in spiked claws. So I'm sure if you go from this one and just say put more detail, let's see if that works. Let's see. Be more specific. It's pretty much all these are kind of like ChatGPT. So if I say be more specific, it just gave me something totally different. Monstrous creature that has a head of a computer and the body of a large lizard. Let's see what the picture looks like. Yeah, I don't even know what that is. That's crazy looking. But this is Character.AI. You can use it for way more than what this is. Let's go ahead and go back. They kind of moved away from the chat part now. It's just GPT 2, 3, and 4. And I wanted to do a video on ChatGPT 4, but it looks like you got to pay for that one. I think that one's like $20 a month. And I did read an article, and I'll show you guys the news article because ChatGPT is making the news. So I wanted to put that out there and show you guys what that's all about. But it looks like the free version of ChatGPT is about 2 or 3 years behind. The newer version, ChatGPT 4, the one that you have to pay for, is more up to date. Note, Bing is running on 4.0. The Bing AI or whatever, is that what you're talking about? Yeah, so this one is Character.AI. After the video, I'll put the links down in the description. Yep, it's running on 4.0. Okay, cool. And this one is the Microsoft Bing. Is this one you're talking about? The Microsoft Bing. This is the image creator, the Microsoft Bing one. And this one is just like I said, an image creator. So Microsoft Bing search engine and Edge browser are now equipped with an AI-powered image creator. Why it matters: the tool uses OpenAI DAL-E to generate images from text prompts, and its rollout today reflects how quickly Microsoft has been building on its OpenAI partnership. Okay, so it is a partnership. Since expanding the relationship significantly 2 months ago, the tech giant has also launched a new AI-powered Bing and Edge browser and announced plans to bring AI into Microsoft 365 tools, Word, Excel, etc. Hey, what's going on, fan? How's your day going? Hope everything's well. Thank you for stopping by. Sticky Man, it's the same. You can just ask Bing to generate an image and it will do so. Once you request it to generate the image, it just sends over the token to DAL-E. Interesting. And Dr. Rob saying, what's up, the fan? And let's see, it says what they're saying is images are one of the most searched categories, second only to general web searches. Usef Medai, Microsoft Consumer Chief Marketing Officer, wrote in today's announcement. And fan says, listening, driving home from picking up the kiddos. Well, appreciate that. And Sticky Man, it's currently only for insiders as they're still testing it, except it's normal. It's in normal channel in like 3 to 5 weeks. Cool. So about 3 to 5 weeks, I will be checking that out. Let's see what else did they have to say about it. Hopes thought bubble. With demand now so high for visuals, this tool may come as a relief to some content creators. It just makes me wonder about copyright. I wonder if there's going to be any copyright strikes for using an AI Microsoft Bing. This is the Microsoft Bing image creator. This is free also. You can log in with your Google account. I haven't had to pay for anything. I know that we're happy to I know that, oh, that's right. Awesome is home. Awesome is home. That is awesome. Glad it was a safe flight. Glad he made it. Everything was okay. And so this is the Microsoft Bing image creator. So you just type in an image. It says right here, want to see how image creator works. Select surprise me for a suggested prompt. Then select create. Let's just go with, let's type in YouTube, see what happens here. I'm sure you can use these for like thumbnails. This one seems like it takes a little bit longer to load up an image. You can see the bar on the bottom creeping there. And it gives it's funny on the AI generated images. It doesn't quite say the words. It puts the logo, and that says, I don't even know what that says, but it doesn't say YouTube, but that's pretty cool. Something you guys can check out. And like I said, it's all free. And then I think that's pretty much, and like Sticky Man was saying, it's not only a image creator. Let's see that. Oh, did you see the development version of GPT-4 that hired a human to help with No, I did not see that. I'm gonna have to check that out. I'll look that up. Maybe I'll look that up here in a sec. Yeah, they're all kind of like ChatGPT. ChatGPT-4, from what I've seen, I haven't used it yet, but from what I've heard, is like the top dog. That sucker has a lot of information that it can go off of. Sorry, CAPTCHA, or completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. No, I'll check that out, see what that's all about. Then we also have Google. It's a big competition. It's hot right now. that's why I'm hopeful. You know, more people start hearing about AI. More people are talking about the metaverse. It's only that much better for MMAI. You know, MMAI is one of the sponsors of the channel, but they're also a great project, and they got a lot of really good technology. Which once people get eyes on it, you know, that's just going to be good for everybody invested. Google opens up Bard AI. Now, Bard AI is not out yet for testing by users in US and UK. Well, I haven't got on the. I just barely signed up today to test it. So Google is introducing its ChatGPT competitor, Bard, to the public this week, starting with tests in the US and the UK. What else Stiggy Man got? There's also GPT-4 getting introduced into Microsoft Office as well as Google Bard being introduced into the Google Suite. And they, what is it called? Copilot. Copilot is another one. I didn't pull that up here, but Copilot is another one that is coming out or is out. Shaman says in the house, what up? At work, busy as fuck. Well, appreciate you tuning in while you're at work. Nope, Copilot is Microsoft. Okay, so Microsoft is Copilot. And there's also GPT-4 introduced into Microsoft as well as Google. Okay, so Google and Microsoft are going at it. T1000 is taking everyone's jobs for sure, man. That's the future. Google's launch comes after months of discussion about the new class of chatbots powered by AI. There's so many, and Stiggy Man, you're on top of it. There's so many, I kind of get them confused. They named it so as they already have a system called Copilot for programmers. So why not keep the known name? Interesting. Yeah, Stiggy Man, this is a you know a lot about the AIs. That's really cool. Google launches comes after 4 months of discussion of the new class of chatbots powered by AI. Let's see. It's on Alphabet. Google Bard. And this is the Google Bard website. You can see at the bottom, I've been added to the wait list. So as soon as I get access to it, I'll do a video on that, see what that's all about. And Stigma, I'm a programmer, got to know stuff. That's awesome, man. That is awesome. Great to have you in this chat, man. After months of public chatter about emerging chatbots powered by AI, Google is opening its Bard AI platform to a limited number of users. Hopefully I can be one of those users. Do you know anything about Bard, Stiggy Man? Are you one of the users that's able to use it maybe? The company is officially allowing people in the US and UK to sign up for its generative AI product, bard.google.com. Google said in the blog post Tuesday that it will be expanding availability over time to more countries and languages. The post titled Try Bard and Share Your Feedback was authored by Cecilio Sayo, Product Vice President, and Eli Collins, Research Vice President. Let's see, what can you can use Bard to boost your productivity, accelerate your ideas, and fuel your curiosity, they wrote. You might ask Bard to give you tips to reach your goal of reading more books this year, explaining quantum physics in simple terms, or spark your creativity by outlining a blog post. We've learned a lot so far by testing Bard, and the next critical step in improving it is to get feedback from more people. Testers will need to sign in with their Google account. Google is putting in place some guardrails to try to ensure that conversations between users and the AI don't spin out of control. The company said that it would cap the number of exchanges in the dialogue to try to keep the interactions helpful and on topic. However, it won't limit the number of daily chats, spokesperson said. What's going on? Racket Club in the house. If anybody wants to hang out, I'm pretty sure everybody's at work or is busy. There is a link pinned to the top of the screen. Jump on, hang out. We're just talking AI today. Stiggy Man, if you want to jump on and hang out, I'm sure you got some great info, but you don't have to. Racket saying, what's up to Fan? What's up to Shaman? No, I can't use Bard yet. It uses similar data structure, but I think the issue with it right now is that they fed it to comprehensive training data, whereas GPT was trained on smaller data bits to keep it focused on quality outputs rather than quantity outputs. Yeah, well, it says right here they're going to limit the amount of, the use of it. So that is really cool to see. I'm curious of what that's all about. This is the Bard website right here. It's bard.google.com. Rack is saying what's up to Rob F. Joe Crypto in the house. What's going on, man? If you just joined us, we're talking AI today. I just had AI is getting more and more popular. I'm just going through a couple that maybe somebody hasn't heard of before. I went through Character.AI. Microsoft has a AI image generator. Right now I'm talking about Bard. It's another, it's from Google. I got put on the wait list. It's not out yet. Racking saying what's up to F. Joe Crypto, Dr. Rob. Everybody saying what's up. Cool and Chris, what's going on? Chaka, what's up? Cool and Chris, appreciate you popping by. Just doing some AI talk. I know nothing about AI. Fan Racket Rob, what up? What's going on? Lazy in the house. Appreciate you. And Stiggy Man is the man. He knows his AI. Let's see. But yeah, take a look at the GPT-4 test where it hired a human to help it. There are tons of articles and they're very similar. So pick your poison. Cool. Will do. Everybody saying what's up to F Joe. F Joe, you got to try ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a trip, man. Racket, and I've been on that ChatGPT. I've been on that ChatGPT thing. F Joe Crypto says. So over here at the Character.AI, and these ones are all kind of like ChatGPT, same format. Sticky Man's probably like, no, they're not. They're all different. But I don't know as much about AI. I'm still learning. But on these ones, you can ask questions and similar things. This was Character.AI. I just went through. This is a monster maker. You just type in what you're looking for, what type of monster or creature you want to make. If you want to use it for a thumbnail or some type of avatar, you can do that. But I want to go in and ask some questions. Let's go ahead and go to this Elon Musk. Somebody, and this is all community made their own chatbots. And let's just ask it, give me 5 reasons why AI is the future. Let's see what it comes up with. F says that thingy. Shaman, what up? What up, lazy? I actually just posted on Twitter about AI assisted voice analysis and how it pertains to health. Really? I'm gonna check that out. So I put in, give me 5 reasons why AI is the future, and it came up with AI is the future because artificial intelligence is much more capable than humans are. I don't know. It can perform complex tasks at a much higher level, and it can learn from the past, making it more reliable. AI is also much faster than human minds, which means that it can take in, analyze huge amounts of information at one time. As a result, it can make more accurate decisions and predictions. Finally, AI is the future because it has the potential to make us more productive and efficient in our lives. It can be used to automate tasks and help us to work more efficiently. Let's see. I see your pop going in hard on AI. AI is getting popular. And I don't know if you've watched my channel for a while. I've always been into AI and technology, and I always find it very interesting. So back to the bard.google.com. I went to some of the facts, and this was I don't even know what you would call it. This was a little iffy for me. So is Bard able to explain how it works? So if you ask Bard, this is in the facts, the FAQ. Is Bard available to explain how it works? LLM experience Bard included can hallucinate and present inaccurate information as factual. One example is that Bard often misinterprets or misrepresents how it works. We've seen this occur in a number of instances. For example, in response to a prompt asking how it was trained or how it carries out various functions like citing sources or providing fresh information, Bard responses may also occasionally claim that it uses personal information from Google or other private apps and services. That's not accurate. But even that right there is scary, just for them saying that. Bard responses, they may occasionally claim that it uses personal information from Google or other private apps and services. That's not accurate. As an LLM interface, Bard does not have the ability to determine these facts. We do not use personal data from your Gmail or other private apps and services to improve Bard. More information about how we keep your data private, safe, and secure can be found in Google privacy policy. And I don't know if this has happened to you guys, if my wife or me, or say if we're buying something from Amazon or we're looking something up, then all of a sudden we're going to start getting pop-up ads, say boots, if my wife is looking for boots. And now she's going through Facebook or YouTube, logged into her account. She's going to start seeing ads from boots. She's going to start seeing little pop-up ads of where to buy boots because she looked that up. So them saying that, and that's through Google. So them saying that Bard, misrepresents how it works, saying that it is uses your information as false. I don't know, because even if you have the Google Home, I have the Google Home system, like the mini where you can ask it, say, hey, Google, ask questions, turn on the lights or whatever. Even then, when we're talking about stuff, it'll start popping up on our Facebook. So that's...
I don't recognize the bedroom.
Oh,
Try saying that.
There it goes. It's starting to talk. I don't know if you heard it. I mean, something I use that is AI powered every day is my smartwatch. It knowing how hard I step and how long my stride is all based on tons of data, inputs, and previous AI training as a human running. It's pretty consistent experience for a watch between several humans. I do not have a smartwatch yet. I've been wanting to get one. That is very interesting, though. Doesn't matter how efficient it makes things, it will give us more work to do. Yeah, I could see that. The gas station down the street has a self-checkout machine with someone standing there overseeing it. I seen a gas station. It's called Auto Fuel. Let me look that up really quick just to show you, because this is a full automated robotic gas station. Let me see if there's a quick video on it. Let's see. There's about 56 seconds. This is...
Welcome to AutoFuel. We develop robotic refueling systems. The system is the automated link between car and energy. Let me show you how it works. When the car arrives on the gas station, the driver gets parking instructions on the screen, much like a car wash. Through number plate recognition, the system receives information about the car, fuel type, and payment. The robot is fully automatic and requires no human interaction at all. Here, it is operating a regular fuel nozzle, but it can also adapt to operate other fuel types like electric plugs or hydrogen nozzles. With robotic refueling, the driver can stay in the car for a short break or go to the shop while the car is refueled.
Yeah, that's crazy. So an automated, auto fuel, just like it says. The gas station down the street. Shaman is an amazing AI artist. For real. Let's check out some of that AI art. My phone knows when I'm heading home too. My phone knows when I'm heading home. My phone knows a lot. All my information is stored on there. And I have an Android, so it's all Google. He's Danish. Yeah, he did have that accent. It's easy to hear as another Dane. Awesome, man. Chaka Crypto, women can't follow instructions. Okay. Check DMs, racket. I was only kidding. we all need to make sure we're AI proof. Make it so you can't be replaced by it. And that is getting harder and harder. My PFP is AI art. Did you make that, Shaman? Did you make that PFP? Or is that, did you get that from somewhere? Because that's pretty sick. Shaman, that one looks better, bro. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then also I got some AI. This is Soundraw. This is also free to use. They have some paid plans, but I'm not going to probably ever use this because my son makes music. But if you needed to generate, or this is an AI music generator. And I'll show you how it works. Shaman's saying, yeah. Oh, you made it? Damn, Shaman. That is awesome, dude. That is really cool. Did not know that you made some AI art there. You should show that off more often. So on this one, the Soundraw, it's Soundraw.io. Stop searching for songs you need. Create it. Royalty-free music, AI generated for you. So you can generate various types of music. Like if I wanted to make a quick intro. Oh, this is your newest one. Oh, that's badass. That is cool. I don't know how to do the AI generated art, but that looks pretty sick, man. So let's see. On Soundraw, it gives you some options. You can choose the length. Let's just go 10, 15 seconds. You can either mark slow, normal, fast. Take slow out. Let's see. F. Joe Crypto said, like the stream. Yeah, I like the stream. Get some more, get this video, like Rodney says, get this video up in the old algorithm. Let's see. Select the mood. So you can select whatever mood. They have angry, busy, all kinds of different types of moods, but they also have genre. Let's go with, though, I don't see no hip hop anywhere. Lo-fi. Oh, here we go. So I clicked on hip hop, see what comes up. And it's generating the music. And these are copyright free, so you can use them for whatever. And it comes up with a bunch of different styles of hip hop that you can change. I'll show you how. I hope this isn't too loud. Let me lower this a little bit. Is that too loud for you guys? Is it blowing your eardrums out? I apologize because I don't think there's a way to lower it from here. But when you're playing the music, you can change the energy. You can, like, if you want to make it start off with high energy, it'll change the beat a little bit. And then the middle, you can make it low. And then the outro, so let's see. And I pay Epidemic Sounds $15 a month. Yeah, this is free, man. This is all free. But what was that again? Epidemic Sounds? I'm going to have to check that out. Epidemic Sounds. I'm going to write that down. I like checking out new stuff too. I haven't heard of Epidemic Sound. Might be worth a look. But these are all free right here. I changed it around to start off with high energy, in the middle low, and then the outro. Hopefully this isn't too loud. But it's AI generated, so you're not going to hear that anywhere else. Let's go. Let's check out number 8 here. Yeah, but you guys can see you can mess around with this with the different genres. I want to go to the genres. I want to see if there's any rock or something like that. My app is, whoa, my dog's freaking out. Oh, my son just came home. My app is free with ads. I've watched a lot of ads. Yeah, that's how they're always free. That's how they get their cashola. Not my app, the one that I use. Oh, you mean your app that you built? Just kidding. That sounds decent. Whoa. Dog fight. Number 8 sounds straight. Let's go and check that one out again. Oh, I think I changed the genre on it. Man, my dogs were getting it right now. I got 2 Chihuahuas, and every time my son comes in or he shows one attention, the other one just like, they just lose their shit and they start attacking each other. It's like every day. These little Chihuahuas getting it. Yeah, but this is cool to mess around with, man. Like I said, you can change the time to like 10 seconds up to 3 minutes. It is pretty cool. That dog noise is it's a legit. Oh, they were getting it, dude. You should have seen it. I should have turned my camera and just showed you these 2 Chihuahuas. They'll if I let them go, I think they'll take one. They'll take each other out. They don't stop. How many Chihuahuas you got? I got 2 of them, Lola and Luna. They are monsters. They're little ankle biter monsters. Yeah, they are meaner than pits. Only to each other. They'll bark when people get at the door. They sound like they're tough, and as soon as you walk in, they'll run and go hide somewhere. Let's see. I want to check out some other genres here real quick. You got acoustic, hip hop, beats, funk. I wonder if there's any like vocals. Rock. Let's go ahead and check out rock. And like I said, these are all free. You got the Character.AI, that's free. You can do multiple things with that. The Bing image creator, the Microsoft Bing image creator, that's free. I just had to log in with my Google account. And then the Bard AI, that's not out yet. But okay, let's check out this rock really quick. Sounds decent. I see that there's a video previewer up here. I wonder if it makes a video. Oh, drag and drop your video here. Yeah, that's cool. I like it. And then also when I was talking, hey, that guy, what up? That guy in the house. We're just talking AI today. I went over a few AI, I guess what would you call it? Platforms, I guess. I went over Crypto.AI. I talked about the Microsoft Bing image creator, and I talked a little bit about the Bard.ai. Now I'm checking out the music generator, which generates your own music. Let's get fucked up. Dude, I quit drinking for a little while. I had to lose a couple LBs, man. So I quit drinking. My daughter's coming home next month, and we're going to go to Vegas, and then I'll probably go back to normal over there. You had to drop those LBs, and it was crazy how much you just quit drinking, how much you lose. So when I was talking about how AI made the news a lot, I've seen this. I'll play a little bit of it. But these guys are talking about ChatGPT.
Have you heard of ChatGPT? It's the artificial intelligence software. It can do almost anything for you, like writing an essay. It can generate code.
And this technology becomes more advanced. And Ken Brown actually spoke with our tech expert about just how much the system is capable of doing.
This is a story about technology that's making waves in the world of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT.
ChatGPT is a language model that can generate text, answer questions.
Whoa, Racky, you're going to Brazil? When are you going to Brazil? That is awesome, dude. And yeah, you're going to have to get ripped to go to Brazil because that's what you got to do. ASMR saying, what up, Terry? I have a drink every now and then with my dudes. Yeah, I had to cut back. Okay, let's go and check this out. Brazil, that's awesome, Racket.
And carry out conversations like a human. It's powered by OpenAI, one of the world's leading AI research organizations. According to our technology expert, Dave Hatter, ChatGPT is capable of some pretty impressive feats.
You can ask a question like, in the voice of Edgar Allan Poe, write a scary poem or something like that, right? The more guidance you give it, the more specific you are, the more likely you are to get results that are going to be more helpful.
However, it's important to note that the version of ChatGPT that most people have access to has limitations.
The current version of ChatGPT that most people have access to, the training on the language model stopped in 2021. It was trained on 175 billion inputs. From what I've read, ChatGPT-4, the new version, has been trained on 170 trillion inputs, literally a power of 10 difference.
Hatter also highlighted some concerns surrounding.
Yeah, but you got to pay for the new ChatGPT, the one that is up to date. The free one is the one he's talking about. It's like 2-3 years old in data.
ChatGPT's use.
There are copyright concerns. Again, there's no way that I've seen, and I've used this thing pretty extensively, to get any kind of sourcing. And they warn you, if you read their own terms of service, it's very clear, it doesn't always produce the right answer. You can't just assume whatever it says is accurate.
Despite these limitations, ChatGPT remains a powerful tool that's changing the way we interact with technology.
You may be surprised to hear that ChatGPT wrote that entire news story. It's an interesting showcase of what the technology can do. I asked the AI to write 5 questions to ask our tech expert. When I took those answers that he gave us back to the system, AI wrote me a television news script using the information I provided. As Dave Hatter said, it can do most of the work for you. I did end up taking out 2 lines at the end of the story where AI touted itself as having endless possibilities and an unimaginable future, but it is an interesting display of how AI manages to put together a coherent story that also included opinions that were critical of its own operations. In studio, Ken Brown, Fox 19 Now.
Great. Now we don't have jobs.
I still.
Yeah, but I'm seeing ChatGPT open, AI, different platforms, different use cases, all over the news. The local news over here, I'm seeing it a lot more. Planning for one day if I ever get that kind of money, for show, man. The closest I'm gonna get there is where are you trying to go? Brazil, France, Paris. If I get that type of money, the closest I'll get there is Vegas. Planning for one day if I ever get that kind of money. Gonna die the French fries platinum for show. That guy would need to create a B&B rug, bro. That's the Racket's Brazil money there. So we got this image creator. I just typed in YouTube and that came up. Wonder what happens if I type in let's see, Brazil. Put that guy in Brazil. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be a dude on the beach. Watch. Oh, it's being reviewed. That's a no-no. See what happens if I put in Brazil. What happens? Lazy Jedi, you already know. I'm down. F. Joe Crypto Anderson Cooper did the first 5 minutes of his show a few weeks ago. That was written by ChatGPT. Best 5 minutes of the show ever. Yeah, for sure. Brazilian Inu coming soon. Yeah, so I just type in Brazil here. These are pretty neat. Even on Canva, if you guys use Canva at all, even Canva now has a text to I don't know what it's called, text to picture. You type in the text and then a picture comes up. Even Canva has that now. So it's everywhere. It's getting bigger and bigger. And this Bard, I'm not quite sure what that is. I've even seen a lot more crypto projects coming out that they just put GPT in the name. I don't know crap about them, but looking at the chart, those things take off. I think everybody is just, they see GPT and they go nuts. So I've seen a couple crypto projects had GPT in the name, and I went and checked the chart out. Didn't look at the I looked at the website. I didn't really go through it. The website, they were offering like an AI avatar that has like a text to speech. You can pick your own avatar. Don't know what kind of use case that is, but that's what they had. Fair launch, 5% tax in and out, baby. Deuces. New token dropping soon. And there's a link at the top. If you guys want to jump on, just hang out. I just wanted to go over those AI stories real quick. I got really nothing going on today, just chilling. Wanted to talk a little bit of AI. Oh, damn, token sniffer score will be 100 racket. Man, aren't you trying to go to Paris? Let's go ahead and pull up some stream avatars, see real quick. Haven't done any stream avatars today. Let's see here. It's loading up. I want to do a rug token. 2 tokens with a dedicated rug date. On that date, 1 rugs, and the other token receives the funds. Persian Rug AI, Racket AI, F Joe, I'm down. Let's go. All right, so we got Shaman, that guy, Fan, F Joe. Then we got Racket up there. Let's do a quick battle royale. So we got Shaman says, is the War Machine. F Joe Crypto is a dude from Street Fighter. Lazy Jedi's Wolverine, Racket Club. Who's that? Cable? ASMR Fan Storm. That guy's Yonda. I didn't pick these I didn't pick these avatars. They're random. That's funny. LOL. What's this? This is just it's like it's called stream avatars. F Joe. I like to use it with OBS, but StreamYard doesn't allow it yet. But if you guys don't know, StreamYard's just updated. I'm using StreamYard right now, and usually when you're doing streams like this, the layout looks like this. But now StreamYard lets you customize the layout. So now I can move around where my guests are, so they're getting closer. You still can't use overlays, but at least we got a little bit of customization that we can use with StreamYard. But anyways, this is Stream Avatars. It's supposed to be an overlay for OBS, which, you'd be able to see my screen in the back. But everybody in the chat gets an avatar, and they can control it by commands. Like there's, exclamation mark, move, or exclamation mark. There's a fart command. It makes the noise. And just different things. I could run battle royales, which would be good for giveaways, but it's just a way to keep the chat, active. Something different I haven't seen a lot of YouTubers use. That guy, they will need to do a full body cavity search before you can and to see how fans doing it. If you want to duel somebody, you can hit exclamation mark duel space and then the person's name. Fan is kicking my ass right now, and she's on the road. Let's see. Why you kill your guests like that? Did I? Oops. I think now it will work. Could not find target. That's the thing. Yeah, but this is something different. You can do a mass bomb where you can bomb everybody. Oh, didn't work. And you can like pick up the avatars on the screen. There's a bunch you can do with it. I'm just doing the basic with it. Hold up, what are y'all playing? This is stream avatars. It's just something that you jump in and everybody in the chat gets an avatar. Looks better when it's an overlay on OBS, but StreamYard doesn't allow overlays, so I just threw it up there like this. Racket Club winning the duel. And then you win Chaka Coin. You can change your avatars with the Chaka Coin. You can buy different weapons. And it's just for fun. Just testing it out, seeing how it goes. I'll probably end up just using it for giveaways if it doesn't, if I can like improve it more. But it'd be a cool way to do giveaways. Better than StreamYard Picker. Just run a battle royale. Whoever wins the giveaway. And there's a lot of, you can change a lot in this game. I can change the plane. I can change the size of the avatars, whatever. This is way over my head. It was $15 on Steam. And then it was super simple to get connected. I just typed in my YouTube channel and my Twitch, and it connects automatically. The rest of the stuff was a little bit more difficult, having to set up everything. That was a little bit difficult. So that guy, you have to hit !duel space and the person that you want to fight. The Stream Avatars is the best stream game since Marbles. It is pretty damn cool. I mean, I like Marbles. Marbles looks better, but it is something different. Marbles, you can't really interact with the marbles. It's just they just go. And I think while the battle's going on, while that, the battle royale is going on, you can't really control it. You have to wait till everybody pops back on stream. Yeah, I might do a stream later on. That way you guys can see how it looks like with the overlay. All right, F. Joe, thanks for hanging out. Have a good night, brother. Have a good one. I'll probably go on for a little bit longer, knock an hour out. Let's go ahead and check out the market real quick, see how we're doing here. Bam. Oh, Bitcoin's looking green. Ethereum's looking green. BNB. Cool. Starting to recover a little bit. Man, I don't know how to work it. Okay, so it's if you want to duel somebody, you had it right. Yeah, how you put dual shaman, that's right. And then shaman will, his full name, you got to put his full name, and then shaman will get a message that he has to accept, and he has to put ! accept or deny it or whatever it is. And then the fart, you can put ! Fart. It sounds like this. I can type in the command right here. So now that fan dueled you, that guy, you have to just type in ! accept, command accept. And I can change up your avatars and stuff. Sorry, I wasn't watching. Lazy Jedi. Lazy Jedi was right, though. It does kind of give me the other day, I deleted the stream on accident, but the other day he was talking, saying it gives him any Super Nintendo vibes. It kind of does. So you have to put ! accept. That guy say accept. He declined it. I'll just do a battle royale. I'll get everybody fighting. I think I can change the commands just to make it easier. So we got everybody battling it out. F. Joe Crypto, Lazy Jedi, Racket Club, ASMR Fan, that guy, Shaman. Looks like that guy and ASMR Fan are getting it right now. And Fan just destroyed that guy. Lazy Jedi came in. Chaka, you deleted your stream when you dropped this gem on the world. I did, dude, because I'm new to OBS, right? I talked about this yesterday, but I'm new to OBS, so I started the stream on StreamYard. Okay, so the link on StreamYard was there. You guys all are familiar with that part. And then, so on OBS, I started my OBS, got it all set up, and then I went to start the stream and I merged it with the StreamYard stream because it was already set up. Did my stream that night. It all got loaded up on YouTube, but then I went to StreamYard to add more videos, and then that stream was still there. It was saying it was open. I didn't know if I deleted it. It deleted the stream from that was from OBS that's on YouTube, but now I know I deleted it, or else it would have been there forever. You can't hide it. You can't do nothing. Ain't that a bit? Yeah, you can do like mass dance. Just basic stuff, and I can always change what they do, just haven't got around to it. But my fat ass in 100 pieces. Cool. I'll probably do another fight here. I'll probably sign out. Unless anybody wants to jump on, hang out. I just wanted to go over the AI stuff. So Racket Club, Lazy Jedi, Fan, that guy, Chaka Crypto, and Shaman Says. I don't know why all the Street Fighter avatars are so tiny. I don't think any of the commands work while the Battle Royale is going on. That guy. Yeah. Seiko, huh? What up, dude? Just had an AI stream. I'm just finishing it up. I was talking about some AI projects. I'll give a quick recap. Chaka Crypto bounce. He's still whooping everybody's ass. Let's see what I go over today. All right, so I went over Character.AI. Check that out. I'll put links down in the description if you guys want to check it out. I went over the Bing AI, Microsoft Bing AI image creator. Talked about the Google's Baird AI that's coming out. I signed up to be on the wait list to check that out. There's a music generator, and we watched some videos on it. I want to see how let's check out the funk music real quick. It's AI. That's not bad for AI generated music. I've seen other AI generated music platforms that it just sounds like noise. So, well, that's all I got, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and sign out. Thanks for hanging out, chilling, checking out the AI stream. I'll probably jump on later, but I knocked out an hour today. Maybe if I have time, I'll jump on later and we'll just hang out. If you guys are available, feel free, stop by. And I'm going to go ahead and sign out. Appreciate all you guys. You guys are all badass. Thanks for hanging out. I'm going to go ahead and bounce. See y'all later.
Chaka Crypto, you're entering the Chaka-verse. Chaka Crypto, welcome to the Chaka-verse. Chaka Crypto, you're entering the Chaka-verse. Chaka Crypto, welcome to the Chaka-verse. He are speaking